Hey guys, Jonathan here at Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Got this great awesome view out here in Conifer. So naturally homeowner wants to waterproof this to enjoy the below as well, even though it's covered, but then you can put lights in there, heaters in there, all that kind of stuff, and ensure that no water gets in. So we're putting in the Trex RainEscape. I just want to go over the downspouts. We haven't really done a video on the downspouts and like detailed on it, so I kind of want to go over that. First thing you want to do is find out what size your joists are. The spacing, either 12 or 16 inches on center. This one here is 12 inch, as you can see. Fits in there really nice. But then we have one joist here that's 16, so then it's going to fit like that. So just make sure you know which side to go. And what you're going to do is then, I don't know if you can see the lines on here. Just follow those lines and cut those lines and cut them out. If it's a 12 inch on center, you're going to come right down this way and cut just one side out on that. 16 on center, you're going to do the same thing, follow on that. Now on this one we have a cantilever. So what we're going to do here, I'll come out here a little bit. So what we're going to do is our trough is going to sit in here, and we're going to have a little bit of a back a trough coming down that way. And so the reason why we're doing it here is because our beam and our gutter will be able to sit in there. And so when we put this in, we have to now cut a little bit on this side so that this trough will then drain into here. And what we do is we overlap it over here. And we'll do a video. Well, actually the next video I'm going to add all these videos together to make one video. So we're going to do a bunch of videos and we'll see it all come together. But so what you're going to do, instead of going all the way down, because you don't need to go all the way down because the pitch isn't going to be that deep, you probably just come like right here about halfway. So then on this side it's going to be all the way down, and then on this side it's just going to be halfway down, and so that we can pitch it this way and pitch it this way. Always do your long run first, and then your cantilever will come, and it'll probably end somewhere over here. So the water pitches here and then comes back here. That's to avoid like multiple things of water coming in and splashing everywhere. And so it avoids that and keeps it more of a nice steady stream. Obviously you gotta glue it, staple it, and we'll show you guys how to do that here coming up next.